Hey guys, so I'm starting this video a little bit later in the process, but so I decided, so my Sebenza here, in Magnacut steel, was it just like a little bit like chippy actually up here in this area. Maybe I didn't deburr it well enough on that first sharpening, but if you can see. Anyway, when I sharpened it, I reprofiled it to get rid of the convex edge that it came with. But yeah, I decided I wanted to micro bevel it actually. I usually don't micro bevel the edges, but I was like, just for the sake of getting the chip out, I might as well not remove too much steel. So I'm kind of raising my angle a bit. Probably won't be able to see the actual micro bevel here, but if you can hear, I've already got a burr going on this side, and I'm pretty sure I could just be flipping this back and forth, but I want to just take off just enough steel to get rid of the chip, the couple little microchips that were up here. So I'm gonna continue with that. Actually, I'm gonna swivel this around. So right now I'm just gonna flip this burr. Alright, I don't feel any burr on that side anymore. The hell is that sound? I think that's my hard drive making bumpy sounds. But yeah, we already got a burr on the other side. This Magnacut is really good, man. I mean, it's just a solid feeling burr, Flips nicely, removes nicely. I guess that's kind of the beauty of this steel. Yeah, actually, I think it might have even flaked off. I got a little burr. Oh, no. What am I talking about? Alright, so I don't know. Alright, I'm going to remove the burr from here, actually. I don't think I'm going to remove any more material. And hope that that chip is gone from before. So maybe I'll flip it one more time and then I'll chop into it very lightly, rather, with a leading stroke. The leading strokes. So we'll just do a little stropping pass here. At my higher chosen angle. Now I'm gonna just, well, maybe I'll just flip it. There's still some burr there, but try moving to this finer stone here. Gonna have to do something about that. Yeah, the hard drive sound. Excuse me. I can still feel that chip a little bit. Damn it. I mean, honestly, it's super sharp. I'm probably nitpicking this edge. It's like I could feel just yeah, there's like a little bump. We even see it? Yeah, I mean, anyway, yeah, I'm not trying to focus that right now. It's this little tiny bit, man. There's like a little tiny chip. Like right here. Pretty wild. I got most of it out because it was a little bit worse than this. But there's like one of them. It's just my OCD with this just kind of kills me, you know. That's why I'm like doing the micro bevel thing, so it's like, you know, just do a little bit at a time, you know. But the micro bevel is actually a cool thing, you know, because for a while there I was kind of just like always in the mindset of just like, you know, maintaining the exact angle even from honing. But like, I don't know, I guess there's two ways to do it, you know. You could just make a new small micro bevel, or you can, you know, ride the existing angle that you created when you reprofiled. But I don't know, it's kind of quicker when you do it like this, so it's interesting. I don't even know if I should keep going. I mean, that's sharp enough, guys, right? I mean, yeah, it's good. Yeah, maybe I won't take off all, you know, I mean, it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect right now. But, yeah, I kind of wanted to just throw the camera on, though, and I don't know, I'm tempted to do it, though. What if I give it a couple of little stropping passes? Sorry about the sound of the hard drive, guys. I'm going to fix that for this next... it's the hard drive for the videos, the G drive, if you will. I wonder if that's just enough to get rid of that freaking tiny little chip that means nothing, but I want to get it out. Did I make it worse? No, certainly not. Can still feel it though. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. Just because, just take my word for it, there's a little tiny chip there, so I'm gonna raise another little tiny burr. try to get just the remainder of that out. Burr back again. Let's flip it. I really love this steel, man. At least the Chris Reeve one specifically, actually. Because I have worked, I mean, I don't know. I'm trying to remember what my Roosevelts felt like sharpening. The Oz Machine Company Roosevelt. Got a burr on this side again. Okay, so we should have gotten the chip out this time. Just a little bit more. Flip it back and forth. It's a very zen thing, sharpening knives. It's really quite incredible, actually. I enjoy it. Did I get it? I don't know. I have to strap it as well. Oh yeah, let's go to the... Just finish it here real quick. Alright, that should do it. There it is, folks. We've done it. Now, granted, I didn't, this knife wasn't like completely dull or anything when I started this process. But I certainly was dulling it, technically, like when you're working with a burr that's back and forth, the little piece of metal, I mean, it's dull until you remove it at that rate, so there is that. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like that. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, just making a mess. So yeah, that doing micro bevels definitely is good for getting out the chips and you know, kind of just taking material from the very apex, more or less. Yeah. It's very nice steel, man. Really like it a lot, especially on this knife. It just feels nice. I don't know if it's the blade shape, like it's the handle. Like I don't know. It's just everything about sharpening this knife is always such a joy. Like every time I put this onto a stone, it's like, yeah, that's why Chris Reeve is like kind of what it is, you know. And I got the shear on my pocket right now too. This one I also sharpened up. Because if you watched my unboxing video of this one, this had a little bit of a tip situation. It was a little rounded, so I brought that back. And yeah, this steel too, this S90V, really good. That's why these good, you know, these expensive knives from these production companies. In this tier, it just sharpening them feels so good, you know. Just like the way the burr comes up, it's just like it just feels nice, you know. Like, and you only know this if you experience really soft steel. That is just you just tell that the burr is difficult and doesn't feel that good when you touch it with your fingers. It's weird. But yeah, these nice harder steels. I love this knife, man. Oh, that sound is just ridiculous. I love it so much. Yeah, sharpening this was a dream, man. Just so good, dude. So one thing that's, you know, I do like still love fidgeting with my knives, but the Sebenza is the opposite of that. It's not really fidgety, but these are two like really amazing knives, same size. Really two of the best knives. They're just so good. I don't know, this one might take the cake, man, with the fidgetability, you know. Because the Sebenza is, you know, very slow and deliberate. Still feels good, you know. I like the sound. See, I'm an acoustics guy as well, so like, you know, I enjoy the sounds as much as the actual feel of these knives. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to pop on the video while I was doing this little chip correction. Sorry I didn't start it earlier. Started the video a little bit late, but you'll just have to take my word for it that there were actually little chippy bits there in this Magnacut, which is surprising. I think it was my fault on the previous sharpening. I may have left a little bit of burr, actually, and maybe it got torn out, cut in cardboard or something. So, but yeah, that was nice, quick, and easy. Yeah, it feels really good. I mean, I can't recommend these knives enough, man. These upper end production knives. I don't know, like, and even this, the Spydercos feel really good too to sharpen. It's all about the heat treat. It's all about that heat treat. All right. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.